What is 5G? It was supposed to change everything. Ultra-fast downloads, self-driving cars, robot surgery. But let's be real. What is it, and why should you care? How did we go from 1G to 5G? Think of mobile networks like roads for data. 3G, a 2-lane road. 4G, a 4-lane highway. 5G, an 8-lane, no-speed limit autobahn. It's not just faster, it reduces lag, latency, which is a big deal for stuff like gaming, live streaming, and real-time control. Hello, drones. What it's actually good for. More devices online at once. Great for smart cities and IoT. Near instant downloads, in theory, smoother AR/VR, live translation, remote surgery. But here's the catch. It only works well where there's good infrastructure, which many places still don't have. So WTF is 5G? It's like upgrading your data highway, but only some people are driving on it right now. Faster internet's cool, but the real game is what it unlocks. Hit subscribe if you want WTF is IoT next, or maybe WTF is the metaverse.